Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the second video on the gold market as usual. So you can see our target has been perfectly met by the price action. Mostly we could say that the stop for this week is completed because yesterday and days before we talked about the possible spike up and talked lots about the big shift in the sentiment on the gold market in the last week. In the weekend we have talked about it, and that all this stuff has created a good background for upward direction. So yesterday actually we didn't have any concern on the upward direction. It was another concern that what will happen next. So whether the market will proceed higher. As you can see, the XOP stands at 1267. That's our major expectation on the weekly chart, and a meaningful retracement. Or it will show some reasonable pullback after the completion of important targets. So you can see that finally OP is hit, the butterfly is completed, all the stuff has happened right at the around conference resistance in 1238, 1252. Yesterday top was around 1240. So what to watch for in the nearest time? First of all, I think that hardly we will get any action till the Friday, because currently this was really good upward action. Investors who got the profit on this upward action, and on Friday we will get the gross domestic product release. That will be the major driving factor on this week for the gold market. Hardly European Central Bank meeting yesterday will make an impact on the gold, but gross domestic product release in the United States, it will be important moment for the market. And I suggest that hardly somebody will take some aggressive positions before this will happen. That's why I think that activity will drop in the nearest couple of days, and maybe some patterns will be formed on the intraday charts, but on the daily, hardly some really big changes will happen until the Friday. So on the fallout time from chart, guys, the major question here is where market will appear on this retracement. So we said that if market will able to hold above the stops, so it will be tight consolidation near the tops, it will be the good sign of the immediate upward continuation. Because market will show just minor retracement, return it back down to the stops and hold there. It will suggest that probably upward acceleration could happen right from this area. Otherwise, signs of deep retracement suggest market will drop here back down inside of this pennant and reach the area of the 1218, 1215. This will be support area. In this case, we could get kind of the hand shoulders pattern that could suggest ABCD retracement down. But this, guys, will not be the negative sign. This is normal. For the gold market, is a deep retracement is a normal action. And take a look at market here. Actually, could retest this long-term trend line that has been broken. And retesting right at around conference support 1206, 1209 of this long-term trend line. It's absolutely normal, and it will not erase the bullish setup. It just will mean that market is ready to the deep retracement, because this is just the 30% of the whole upward action. This is normal. When the market hits the strong areas, when the market hits important targets, retracement of the 30%, it's actually what we have talked about when market has reached this area for the first time here. But now you can see another spike up. Now, it's better choice, I think, that just keep watching. So we will see the sideways action till the Friday and gross domestic product release. This market will not show any drop. Then, as I said, will be a chance to call long somewhere in this area. But if market will show us drop to the 1218 area and break this triangle down, this will be a sign that we should wait for some pullback, and then this will be entry point for a possible retracement down to 1206. That's all this will become clear depending on what will happen around this area. On the hourly chart, guys, it's very difficult to find something really valuable for trading today, You can see our XLP target 12 of 1240, 1239 has been completed very accurately. And then collapse has started. Now, here, guys, in general, it reminds me the bread and butter feature, bread and butter kind of trade, but it doesn't meet the conditions of the bread and butter, because a lot of candles below the 3x3, but by the nature, it has the features of the bread and butter, because we have the first up, retracement down to the first support, it's in 50%. Now market is calling here, minor gutless triple to buy has been formed. So maybe here, kind of the deep retracement up is possible. Maybe this will happen, but overall picture on hourly chart doesn't bring any bright and clear patterns. That's why I think that's in general we do not have any valuable stops by far here. So that's why, as our major trade has been completed, I think that it's better to wait for some better setups. There will be something will become clearer on the price behavior, on what will happen with the deep retracement, whether this will start or not. Just keep watching for a couple of sessions, and then we'll see what to do next.